Hello there, young people. Today I'm going to show you a ReelShort hack where you can get unlimited coins. So as you can see, I got tons of coins on my ReelShort, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically go to this site, and once you're there, just type in ReelShort, and as you can see, it says ReelShort mod. Now we're going to download it, so let's just give it a second to download here, as you can see. So basically this will download the mod onto your phone. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if you're poor and you can't get ReelShort coins, then watch my video and you'll get a ton of ReelShort coins. As you can see, I have tons, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, peace out, guys, because this is crazy. Look at my coins. I got so many, right? So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, totally updated. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, get the word out because this is super cool. And all you got to do, guys, is go to ZooMods and then just type in ReelShort, and there it is. So peace out. This is sick, bro. If you're a ReelShort connoisseur like myself, then you're really in the market for this type of stuff. I mean, I looked all over the globe for a ReelShort mod, and now I finally got one. Oh my gosh, damn, bro, we ReelShort fans. Look at that. So yeah, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. And all you got to do is go to ZooMods, and then just type in ReelShort. It's going to come right up. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out, bro. Because this is super awesome. It totally works. So peace out. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, get the word out because this is so sick, bro. Like, what? How is it even real? Nobody really knows, right? But it's real, guys. Trust me. I'm gonna see you later.